This is my favourite 166 Mille. It's chassis 0146/0346, and being even chassis numbered, that's crucial for an early competition Ferrari, because only the competition cars had an even chassis number. It's from 1953, which means it's a Series 2 car. It benefits from upgrades as a result from the period, which included the 6-port cylinder heads, quad-barrel Weber carburettors, a 5-speed gearbox, and uprated rear suspension, as well as a raised red line of 7,200 revolutions per minute. This is also the only 166 that was bodied by Pinin Farina, and in fact it's one of the very earliest Ferraris to be bodied by Pinin Farina. We totally restored this car between 2002 and 2005, and once again we repurchased it back in 2018, at which time we entrusted it to the Class K certification program with Ferrari. At that time, it was awarded a red book, which confirmed that the chassis, the engine, and the body are all matching numbers and original, and at that time it was also on the front cover of Cavallino. Since then, it's taken part in the Miglia and done a number of concours events, and it was refreshed by us in 2019 to bring it right back up to concours standard. And today, once again, it's available for sale at DK Engineering.